He may be the happiest man alive. Do you remember something? Yes.
Oh, it's nice of you to invite me. I really do appreciate it, Jay. And how is Paul? Well, he's dead. Obviously. Of course. I mean, it's still hard